Deputy Inspector Adil Rahman. Deputy Inspector Cassandra Miller. And Deputy Inspector Eric Roby. Will members being promoted to the rank of Inspector please rise and receive for the administration of the oath by Executive Officer of Personnel Bureau, Deputy Chief John Miller.
Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I do hereby pledge and declare